Good morning. What we have here today on what we're working on here today is the turn signal housing, front turn signal housing on the 61 Comet. Now this unit is unplugged in the engine compartment, and you have three wires. You got a ground, you got one for the turn signals, you got one for the running lights. And this is not made out of metal, it's made out of rubber. From 61 they made it out of rubber, and it's got a little groove there that just kind of snaps, pressure fit right into the bumper. And as you can see, it's curved, so it goes around the partially the side of the bumper. The problem we're having is the turn signals weren't working, and it's obvious due to the corrosion in there, and possibly a bad ground as well. But these little, I don't know if you can see that in there, these two little pieces are contacts for the bulb that go in there, and there's supposed to be a spring. They're supposed to be able to be pushed up and down, and they're not moving at all. So what I've done, I did this to the driver's side. This is the passenger side, obviously. What I did was I just soaked it in WD-40 for 2 days, played with it a little bit with a pair of needle nose pliers, pushed it in, pushed it out, and finally it gave and started working. And I put a bulb in there, and everything worked fine. So that's what I'm going to do. This one, I'm going to try to save it. The only other alternative is to remove the socket itself, which entails cutting part of this out and altering it and everything like that, and I don't want to do that if I don't have to. And to get a new set of these, reproduction or whatever, is virtually impossible, or if not impossible, expensive. So let me see if I can get that to focus. Maybe not. There we go. Anyway, it's really the only thing I can do is what I'm doing here. I'm going to try to work with what I got, and hopefully it'll free up. I'll just keep spraying WD-40 on it. It took a couple days for the other one to free up, and I'm thinking it'll take a couple days for this one to free up. And this part over here that's broken, I'm probably just going to put some RTV around that, and gray RTV or whatever, to clean it up, make sure it doesn't leak, hold the seal, clean up some of that mold in there as well, and slap it back together and hopefully it works, and call it a day. Trying to keep this project, this Comet project, to a lower cost, and that's part of the thing that I have to do, is to try to use what you got and fix up what you got. And little things like this is what runs the bill up. Probably, if you could find a pair of these, and you're gonna probably only buy them by the pair, is they would be about $120 or something like that, and it's just money I could better spend on something else for the project. So anyway, that's what we're doing here, and it's kind of boring, just waiting. Every little while I'll get some WD-40. Never mind my garage, please, because it's a mess. Put some WD-40 in there, fill it up there, let it soak, and come back to it and see if it works. Anyway, have a good day, and catch you on the next video.